Hi everyone, Irina Veryanov here with Keystone North Atlanta, your local realtor helping families transition with clarity. As we head into the last quarter of 2025, I want to share what's really happening in our North Atlanta housing market because the headlines don't tell the full story. National media is still talking about uncertainty, but here is what we are actually seeing right here in Metro Atlanta. Median sale price is at $450,000, and that is still about 15% higher than where we were at the 2021 peak. Average days on the market are at 41 days. Seller concessions showing up in about 2/3 of closings. So just think about that again. Just reiterate on that, we see seller concessions in about 60% of the closings. So homes are taking a bit longer to sell and buyers have regained some leverage. But this is not a market in decline, it's a market returning to balance. If we look at how the market has evolved, we have really moved from the chaos of 2021 when homes sold in hours and everything had at least 10 offers to something much healthier. We are not in a buyer's market, but the pace is more rational. Buyers have choices again. Sellers have to be strategic. And that's actually good for long-term stability. Homes that are priced correctly and presented beautifully are still selling quickly, often within the first 2 weeks. But the ones that test the market with unrealistic pricing are sitting, sometimes with multiple price reductions. One of the biggest takeaways from this quarter's data was this: 73% of homes listed were overpriced. Let me repeat it again. 73% of homes listed were overpriced. And when that happens, most end up reducing the price, losing momentum, and often selling for less than if they had priced correctly from the start. That's why pricing strategy matters now more than ever. The goal isn't to price high and see what happens. The goal is to price smart, attract attention early, and negotiate from strength. When I list a home, we analyze micro market data. We go very local, street by street, neighborhood by neighborhood, to make sure we are positioned where buyers are actually buying, not just where sellers wish they could be. Buyers are also more selective. They are valuing homes that feel move-in ready, clean, light, updated, and cared for. It doesn't have to be brand new, it just has to feel right. So if you're planning to sell in 2026, now is a great time to focus on prep and presentation. In short, the market is still strong, buyers have more breathing room, sellers who plan and price well are still winning. It's no longer about luck, it's about clarity and strategy. And that's where I love helping families. If you'd like to know what your home might sell for today or how your neighborhood has been performing, I'd be happy to send a quick personalized home equity review. Just text value to 404-434-4454 or email me at irina.a@kw.com. No pressure, just clarity.